नमस्कार एवरीवन। सेवेंथ सिविल अकाउंट्स डे के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं निशा, सहायक लेखा अधिकारी, वेतन एवं लेखा कार्यालय की ओर से आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। We are deeply honored to have with us ज्योति मैडम, IAS, Deputy Commissioner Nicobar District, our Chief Guest, AC Nicobar, Head of Offices of various departments, senior officers, retired officials, and my dear colleagues. With immense pleasure and gratitude, I would like to welcome you all on the special occasion of 7th Civil Accounts Day. We have chosen to celebrate Andaman Nicobar Civil Accounts Day on 7 December every year, as from this day of 1992, our cadre has been declared as Organized Accounts Cadre by the Ministry of Home Affairs, New Delhi. Further, after separation of ordinary accounts, on 7 December 1983, the foundation of our Chief Pay and Accounts Office was laid. So this day is of great importance to us. 7th Civil Accounts Day, जो कि पहली बार निकोबार में मनाया जा रहा है, प्रशासन के विकासात्मक लक्ष्यों को समर्थन देने और निरंतर उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करने के लिए अकाउंट्स कैडर के संकल्प को दर्शाता है। आइए इस सफर को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। I would like to invite Bhalvi Damodaran to welcome our chief guest with a bouquet. Beginning of our celebration, I now invite our esteemed chief guest, Jyoti Madam, DC Nicobar, to kindly come forward for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. BSP sir, Akash sir, EQPWD, please come over the stage. This song is a heartfelt gesture to honor our esteemed guest, Government Secondary School, Tamalu. Inviting Shri Senior Accounts Officer, Pay and Accounts Office, Nicobar, to extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. Shri Anil Doshi.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Deputy Commissioner Madam, respected heads of officers and their esteemed staff, and heartfelt welcome to all of you on the significant occasion of Civil Accounts Day. It is an honor to have such a distinguished gathering of individuals dedicated to the cause of effective financial management, and I thank you all for being here today. In India we have two accounts, one is civil accounts and one is defense accounts. That civil accounts cater to the needs of the civil departments, forest, EPWD and other postal railways, etc. And the defense accounts are not related to forces, defense forces accounts. So we are celebrating this Civil Accounts Day here. This was the first time we are celebrating at Nicobar district. On this special occasion, we come together not only to celebrate the vital role played by civil accounts in our governance system, but also to recognize the immense efforts of everyone involved in managing public funds with integrity, transparency and accountability. First of all, I extend a special welcome to our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Madam Jyoti Madam, whose leadership and vision had continued to guide in the progress of these islands. The work she had already done during her tenure in the islands and works undertaken can be seen and experienced in the coming days. Madam, your direct and indirect support have been instrumental in ensuring that our financial systems remain robust and effective, and we are deeply grateful for your commitment. Next, I would like to welcome the heads of offices. Thank you for your unwavering dedication in overseeing the financial and administrative operations within your department. Your work ensures that civil accounts maintain the highest standards of accuracy and compliance, and we are all grateful for the exemplary work that you do. In one word, if I say that you are all the pillars and the PO is the roof on which we are doing the work. Then I do welcome all the staff members of the various departments. Actually, today is a celebration of their hard work, precision and diligence. They are the originator of all financial proposals like budget, expenditure, bills and every entry that we undertake to contribute to the smooth functioning of our government systems. You are the backbone of the public financial management framework, and today we honor their expertise and dedication for their work. I do welcome all the teachers and children of the Malu and Malagaon school who accepted our request and came for this cultural program. In the end, I once again thank and all. Thank you.
Its achievements, milestones and future goals. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सिर्फ पत्थरों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, सिर्फ पत्थरों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। हमारे हौसलों और संघर्षों को दर्शाता एक छोटी सी प्रस्तुति आपके समक्ष।
पे एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफिस स्थापित किए गए। अपनी शुरुआती दिन में अकाउंट्स कैडर के गैर मौजूदगी के दौरान एजी ऑफिस के अधिकारियों को जेएओ और एओ के पद पर मुख्य भूमि से या प्रतिनियुक्ति पर लाकर पे एंड अकाउंट्स ऑफिस के काम का प्रबंधन किया जाता था। लेकिन
मजबूत बनाने की छोटी सी कोशिश। अगली पेशकश एक सांस्कृतिक प्रस्तुति मणिपुरी नृत्य गवर्नमेंट मॉडल प्राइमरी स्कूल हेडक्वार्टर की बच्चों द्वारा। गवर्नमेंट मॉडल प्राइमरी स्कूल हेडक्वार्टर की बच्चों द्वारा। धन्यवाद गवर्नमेंट मॉडल प्राइमरी स्कूल हेडक्वार्टर के बच्चों द्वारा ये प्रस्तुति। Now it's time for prize distribution ceremony. On the occasion of Civil Accounts Day, several events were conducted for the staff and families of PO Nicobar. The prizes are a token of appreciation for the dedication, participation and enthusiasm in sports, competition and other events. Now I request Jyoti Madam, DC Nicobar, to please join us in presenting the prizes. I also request Shri Chrysostom, our retired official, to please come on the stage. किया जाए। ये हमारे रिटायर्ड दफ्तरी रहे हैं पीओ निकोबार के श्री क्रिसोस्टम, करीबन 40 साल की सेवाओं के बाद ये सेवानिवृत्त हुए हैं। थैंक यू मैडम। नाउ द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन quiz competition. Second prize Shiva Shankar, senior accountant. Third prize Srimati Nadma Praveen Khan. Second program table tennis. Winner Shri R. Damodaran. Table tennis first winner Shri R. Damodaran. Second prize Shri Shiva Shankar. Badminton men winner Shri R. Damodaran. Second prize Shri Shiv Shankar. Badminton women Srimati Nadma Praveen Khan. Srimati Nadma Praveen Khan. Carrom men winner Shri R. Damodaran. Second prize Shri Shiv Shankar. Carrom women winner Srimati Nisha. Second prize Srimati Kavita. Chess winner Shri U. Dileshwar Rao. Second prize Shri Azarius. Second prize Shri Azarius. Kabaddi Nisha ma'am and team. तालियां। Musical chair family, first prize Master Zaid Ali. First prize Master Zaid Ali. Second prize Srimati Garma Kabir Khan. Musical chair. Musical chair winner Shri J. Shiv Shankar. Musical chair winner Shri J. Shiv Shankar. Runner Shri R. Damodaran. Next cartoon Lava Walk. Lava Walk. Winner Anil Sir and team. Anil Sir and team. Now we would like to take this special opportunity to honor Jyoti Madam DC Nicobar as she embarks on a new journey in her career. As a token of her deepest gratitude for her contributions to this island, I request Anil Doshi sir to please present a moment to Jyoti Madam DC Nicobar. Now I request Jyoti Madam DC Nicobar to please share a few words with us on this occasion. Jyoti Madam.
Very good morning to everyone present here, to all the HODs, the students, and especially the staff and officials of the Pay and Accounts Office. First of all, let me begin by congratulating you on the 7th Civil Accounts Day. If we go back into the history of the accounts cadre, this is the first office on which the state is built. This is the office which has created writing in the history of humankind. The writing has come because we needed to account for taxes. This is the lifeblood of any organization which is dealing with public money. And I am coming here today for the occasion, almost 7 years after I had attended the National Civil Accounts Day, which is celebrated in March. So I also have an association with it. Before this, I was serving in the Indian Post and Telecom Accounts and Finance Service, which has been said that we have two branches of accounts. One is civil accounts, the other is defense accounts, and then we also have the railways account because that is a company, and then we also have the Post and Telecom Accounts and Finance Service. And over the years, since it was my first job also, I have learned a lot. That was a time, and I think the presentation also showed that we have had a lot of reforms in the accounting. One, the process in which we do accounting. Second is in adoption to the software technology, in the way in which we are feeding in data and we are getting intelligence out of it. So it is such an important cadre that when we had a special outreach program to Canada to just understand accounting of the municipal bodies and how accounting can lead to better governance by giving better inputs and how it can help us plan for the future was clear to me on that day. So accounts is not just a back-end desk job, it is something which is so important to the running of the organization that it keeps the organization healthy, it helps us plan for the future. So on this day I congratulate everyone, all the staff who are there in the office and who meticulously maintain, one, that the budget is spent, second, that the rules are followed. The role of internal finance is also done by the accounts service. So the GFR rules are followed, and it is very important because ultimately the money which we are spending is the public money. It is the taxpayers' money. And finally, I hope that going ahead, we also, I think, we're in a process of thinking of moving from cash-based accounting to accrual-based accounting. And that would have been a great step ahead to plan for the future, because right now we don't account for our assets, we don't account for our buildings or future incomes which we will have. So that would be a great move ahead for the account services, and I congratulate all of you. You are the base of the governance and should continue to contribute as you have been doing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Your presence here today have truly added value to our celebration. We are grateful for your leadership and guidance you have provided throughout your tenure. As we come close to today's celebration, it's my privilege to invite Kavita Madam, AAO APWD Nicobar, to deliver the vote of thanks and express our gratitude to all of you present here. Kavita Madam.
A very warm good morning to all the esteemed dignitaries and guest festivals. It is rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not presenting it. With this note, today, on behalf of all the staff of Pay and Accounts, Nicobar, I take this opportunity to express my deepest sense of gratitude and appreciation to all those who made this event a grand success and a memorable one. To begin with, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Guest, Jyoti Madam, IAS, DC Nicobar, who spared her busy time from her busy schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, ma'am. I also thank DISP Sir, Nicobar, for his generous support and presence to grace the occasion. Moving forward, now I extend our gratitude to all the head of officers and faculty of various departments for their valuable contribution and encouragement in all our efforts. I will also thank the principals and teachers of Government Primary School Headquarters and Government Secondary School Tamalu for sending their children with a beautiful folk song and dance who made the event even much more colorful and memorable one. Last but not the least, I thank all my colleagues and friends from Pay and Account Organization for their relentless effort and contribution in making the function a grand success. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, madam. As we come to the end of this memorable celebration, I want you to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to all of you present. As we gather here today, let us look ahead with renewed energy and commitment to the challenges and opportunities that lie in the future. Our role is not only to safeguard public funds, but to ensure that these funds are used effectively and efficiently for the society. अलविदा कहोगे मुसाफिर हैं हम भी मुसाफिर हो तुम भी मुसाफिर हैं हम भी मुसाफिर हो तुम भी किसी बोर्ड
चलिए, समाप्त हो चुके हैं प्रोग्राम अकाउंट्स ऑफिस के। तो सब अभी चाय पी रहे हैं, स्नैक्स खा रहे हैं, बच्चे भी खुश हैं। हेलो, चलिए।